Hi, it's Amin, yeah?
Yeah.
So why they ask me to pick you up?
Why you go to the six that road, parallel road?
Because I was
You
told
have to come by this way actually.
I was told to go to 256.
You go 256 first.
No, I was asked to pick you up at 256.
No, what I am telling. From here you take any U-turn,
I
right?
know, I know, correct.
So you have to come by this way. 256 is here.
Yeah, but
Here only. Here.
I get it. But according to the instructions I got, it's 256. You are waiting
Can
on
I
the other
push
side.
push back?
Yeah, just a bit. Yeah, there. The information I got was to pick you up at 256.
So go
on the
right,
other side.
right.
I'm dropping off. Expo.
Where?
Where are you going?
Expo only. So Expo will go by this way only. Expo will go by this way only, right way. It's a convenient for me and her also. That's why I'm telling you. You have to come straight here, so you take it around.
I'll have to follow the GPS on.
Yeah. Right.
I'll have to follow the GPS on. I'll have to follow the GPS.
So I'm telling you the shortest route. My bus is going. 20 bus number is going over there only.
Right. I get it. Okay. The GPS asked me to go that way, so I'm going that way.
Can you go a little bit fast?
I'll keep within the speed limit.
अरे यार
Are you in a hurry?
कहाँ फंस गया यार हम? See, in Expo it's very heavy traffic.
About the same.
No, Expo very heavy traffic.
That's why I'm going first. Yes.
No, you just drop me here in the before that. Okay, then you can go Expo. There is a long queue over there.
So where exactly are you going?
Just near Expo on that side.
Changi Business Park, right?
Yeah, near the MRT only.
Yeah, correct. But I'm dropping this off first.
No, that's fine, but there is a heavy traffic. There is a heavy traffic. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. This
Right.
bus is going to my place only. I skipped the bus. I taken this Uber. You are following GPS and you are taking the U-turn and you are going road number 6 and then you are coming by that way. Rather than you are taking a right turn. Go little bit fast and take a right turn quickly. अरे यार. If bus will drop me in the same time, then why I'll take a cab? You tell me.
I can answer that. You booked a cab, so I came.
No. The thing is that
Mm-hmm.
we can use our mind also a little bit.
Sure.
Okay, rather than following the machine.
Sure. Okay.
Where do you stay? Where is your home?
I stay in Pasir Ris.
So you don't know this area?
I'm from this area.
No. So why you taken a U-turn and go to the road number
Because
6?
stopping on this side.
Huh?
You mean to pick you up?
Yeah.
The instruction said.
No, so it is telling wrong.
Well,
It is
okay.
telling totally wrong.
Okay.
Rather than coming by a shortest way,
Mhm.
it is telling you the long way. So
Okay.
that's why I ask where you stay, because if you stay this area, so we can use we can use our knowledge.
Okay.
That's why I ask where you stay. If you stay Omokyu, Woodland,
Okay.
I never mind.
Okay. Hang on a second. Street number 6 is a U-shape, horseshoe shape, right? Correct, Amir? It is a horseshoe shape, correct? I was told to at 256.
I'll explain you. Actually.
I mean, I'm willing to do
See,
this.
you come by this way, okay? See. Okay.
Okay, take care. Bye. If I come around that way, I have to go up there and
See,
turn all the way
no,
back
no,
there.
I tell you, boss, I tell
Okay,
you,
right.
I am staying there. I know that area
Okay.
at least that area I know very well.
Okay.
You know, I'm not like what I can say. See, you came by this way, okay?
Okay, are you talking about the picking up or are you talking?
Picking up.
Okay, I got it.
You came by this way, okay?
Right.
You came, and in this junction, you take a U-turn.
Okay.
You take a U-turn, and then you go road number 6.
Alright.
Rather than there, I was standing here.
Okay.
See, I was standing here.
Alright. Okay, sure,
Okay.
I get it. And
You go your road number 6, then you come by this way.
okay.
If you take only a right turn and come to the straight to the road,
Okay.
I was there. I was waiting
Alright.
there for you.
Now, can I tell you what I did? You told. Alright.
Okay.
You told. I mean, you turned here, then came here, right? I was told to pick you up here.
So what?
Not here.
So what? I was
But the thing is,
no,
there's no way I would know.
No,
that
no,
you're
I was standing there from you are going to the going to my lift lobby.
No, I was.
Oh, I was standing there. You are going to take a right
No,
turn
the thing is,
to
Ahmed,
insert
you may-
256.
You may have been standing there, but there's no way I would know that you are standing there.
No,
There's
I'm
no-
not telling. I'm not telling. I'm not.
But there's no way I know.
Okay,
that
okay,
you're
okay.
standing.
Tell me one thing.
I only know.
No,
where
no, 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 no. Tell me
it
one
says
thing.
the-
No, tell me one thing.
Alright.
You are going to pick up somebody from there.
Right.
You will turn from here. You will turn from here. Then you will go there, right? So I'm standing there. So what's the problem?
But the thing
Before
is,
that,
hang on,
no,
Ahmed.
before going
Okay,
there,
Ahmed.
before going
Was there
there,
any way I would know you are standing there?
I'm not telling you no. I'm telling right way
That
to
is
go
not
there. Coming to my lobby is a right way. Go
But
straight,
Ahmed,
go straight, go
Ahmed,
straight.
I did not know that you're at 107. There's no way I could know unless you call me. There's no way. I
was
told-
not in 107.
Wait, okay,
I just
there was-
came
there-
out after 256 block ahead.
Okay.
256
now there
block.
was no way I could know based on the information I received. That's where you were.
See, Uber is following the Google app, and that was it shown the wrong direction.
Okay, but there's no way I would know that. There's no way I would know that you were waiting where you were.
What you are doing? Go.
Yeah, there's no way I would
Okay,
know
can we close this discussion?
I'm okay with it.
You are not concentrating on your drive. Keep right.
And it's the most unpleasant ride I've had today. Where do you wish me?
Just go straight and follow this. Go behind this. Stop at the corner, the Changi South. Stay here. No, don't go. Go a little bit further, over there. Keep left. That's it.
Okay, take care.
Thanks.